So before diving into techniques, let's first define communication. Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages, which involves a sender, a messenger, a medium, and a receiver. However, effective communication goes beyond just delivering a message. It's about ensuring that message is understood as intended. It's not just what you say, but how you say it, your tone, body language, and even your facial expression all plays a crucial role. There are a few key elements that form the foundation of communication. Understanding this will help you improve your own communication style. Verbal communication includes the words you use, the clarity of your message, and how well you articulate your thoughts. We'll be discussing how to frame your message more clearly, avoiding jargon and unnecessary complicity. While non-verbal communication tells that our body language, facial expressions, and eye contact often speak louder than words. In fact, over half of our communication is non-verbal. In this course, you will learn how to be aware and control of your non-verbal signals. We also have active listening. Communication isn't just about talking, it's equally about listening. Active listening means fully concentrating on what's being said rather than just passively hearing. We will dive into techniques for active listening, which will help you engage better in conversations and respond appropriately. Written communication. In today's digital world, we depend heavily on emails, reports, and messages. Clear, concise, and well-structured writing is vital for effective communication. What are the barriers to communication? Even with the best intentions, communication can go wrong. There are several barriers that can prevent us from conveying or understanding messages effectively, which include physical barriers, emotional barriers, cultural barriers. So, physical barriers like poor technology or noisy environments, emotional barriers such as stress, anxiety, or preconceived notions. Cultural barriers, where differences in background and values might cause misunderstandings. Throughout this course, we will discuss how to overcome these barriers and ensure your message is received accurately. See you next time, Learn Citizens. Thank you.